Another day at the bird feeder. Today, the camera captures the ground below the feeder, where some birds prefer to dine. A dark-eyed junco makes an appearance, pecking among the fallen seeds with its characteristic hopping motion. Dark-eyed juncos are sparrow-like birds known for their distinct white outer tail feathers and round puffed appearance. This junco is stopping here during its winter migration, a journey that can span thousands of miles. Juncos are ground-feeding specialists, often foraging under feeders or in leaf litter, avoiding elevated perches. Their presence is a reminder of the changing seasons, as they adapt to cold weather by moving to more hospitable environments.